It's a female Grand Marshal.
Those are.
She reminds me of what's her face in the movies. Woo! Jamie Lee Curtis.
Huh?
She reminds me of Jamie Lee Curtis.
Oh.
You know,
Gary
I was
Wood.
expecting a lot more.
Wood, like the Wood, like the name. See how we did the Wood up
Yeah,
there?
we did, didn't we?
Funny.